How to reduce cellular data usage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Cellular as shown. Then, tap on Cellular Data Options at the top. Here, tap on Data Mode. Change the settings from Standard to Low Data Mode. Low Data Mode helps reduce cellular data usage by pausing automatic updates and background tasks. Alternatively, go back to the Settings page and tap on General. Inside the General menu, look for Background App Refresh and tap on it. You can manage which apps are allowed to refresh their content in the background from here. Now, go to Background App Refresh at the very top. Select Wi-Fi to ensure apps only refresh when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. You can also select Off to completely disable Background App Refresh. Following these steps, you can easily reduce cellular data usage on an iPhone.